Well, what do you got? Open it up, sweetie.
No, you gotta push it again.
Why?
Oh, I guess you got it. I'm sorry, I didn't think it was moving.
Well, he's not turned on. Give him pet. Pet him. He won't do anything. See? He doesn't do anything because he's not turned. And the controller doesn't have batteries. And he doesn't have batteries.
You can open it wherever you want.
You can rip. How do you have a destination?
What is it?
I don't know.
Not another spike. Not a spike, a baby spike.
My computer.
Your pewter?
You got a pewter?
Oh no.
Good.
Wow. Oh, top there, Peanut.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah.
Spike.
Wow. Woo, Peanut.
Oh, isn't that? That's like you got your, just like Anna got a pewter. Or is it Kate's?
Well, I think
Is that Kate's or Anna's? Does she have a
I think
computer?
Santa might bring Anna one of these.
Oh, I thought they had Kate had one at her house.
They have one that's
They're DVDs.
yeah, DVD. Oh, yeah, those are. Like,
Wow.
you remember how it turned on?
Oh, it's already working?
Yeah.
Hello, Princess. What would you like to do today?
It has DVDs.
You know what I think we should do? I think we should take it out of its box. Should we do that?
Goodbye, Princess.
Oh,
Okay, let's see here.
Spike.
You need that again.
Spike. I don't open it.
Spike.
I'm laughter.
Okay, well, we can do it right here.
You need a.
Give me back my scissors, Spike.
He didn't bite it. He didn't bite it.
You did?
No, because he's taking a break.
You know.
And then
So I'm hoping the power stays on. Do we have any flashlights ready?
Oh, yeah.
A break.
Did we get much snow? Can you tell?
The rain probably took it all down already. Be interesting. Look at the driveway, hon. Look at the trees. The wind's blowing. I hope it doesn't blow my balls away. Oops.
This is where this TVs go. These things again.
Yeah, those things begin.
Pardon?
Big scissors to back door, open the door and fix the...
Wow. That's how high it is?
What's that, Dad?
Open the screen door, it scrapes the snow.
I think Santa was, he just thought you kids were the best kids. I'm going to write a letter to Santa and tell him how happy you guys were with your everything you got.
Oh, even the small tail moves.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we took away and drank his milk.
Yeah, he's drinking all
Oh,
the milk.
yeah, yeah. Oh, Grandma put it away, but it's in the kitchen. I'll show you.
He was very hungry. He must, you know what? He was so busy last night.
He didn't eat all the cookie, though.
No.
Just, he left.
He drank all the milk.
Yeah, he drank all the milk.
Papa didn't have any milk.
What?
I hope he didn't go in the refrigerator and help himself to some more. No, I hope he did, if he was very...
Eating Santa's cookie. Why does somebody eat Santa's cookies?
No.
Nick ate Santa's cookies. Papa ate Santa's cookies. Okay, the two guys ate Santa's.
He's gonna work on our computer. He's working.
Oh, hello, Princess. What would you like to do today?
Here's his
Oh,
CD.
she's got one just like you, Daddy. A pewter.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
Well, let me get all the stuff up here now first.
Daddy, Spike is spiky. Right? He's spiky. Dad, did I how to pop it open?
Oh, that's how you pop it open?
Yeah,
Okay.
you pop it open. Hey, Dada, you popped it
Hey, Anna.
open.
Hey, Anna.
There's somebody, Grandma Di, named Grandma Di.
Yeah, I know Grandma Di. Grandma knows her.
Because you roasted it. Turn the heart. Spike's tail.
Here's your other ones, here.
That looks.
And then, wait, let me see if there's another.
That looks. Right
Oh, this is, I don't know, but I'm just wondering, this is where you keep
That
it.
look.
You eating something?
Yeah.
Eating something.
Bring it all out.
He doesn't eat in. He doesn't eat.
You like that, Josie? Oh, oh. She gave me a big smile.
Goodbye, princess.
Let's see how you play that CD. Let me see. Let's see what.
Boy, that's quite something, isn't it?
Oh, hello, princess. What would you like to do today?
Wonder who programmed that. Oh, you can even
this is
dance
what-
to it.
Okay,
Hey, I see that.
this is what playing the CD. And if you put a different CD in, it plays different stuff. And if this is pauses it, then press it again to play it. Hard, press hard. Yeah. And let go. That's it. And if you press again, it pauses. See? You can put a different CD in there.
Boy, Jake, I like how patient you are waiting. Boy, we got some good kids, Daddy.
And you pop them like this.
Right, Papa?
Yeah.
It's kind of hard for Mikey. He's spiky.
Like very big.
I
Still haven't figured out where is he gonna sleep, Jake?
remember
You gotta press these buttons.
where he's going to sleep. Here, he's going to sleep where he is.
How about when you take him home, where will he sleep?
He'll
Next to your
sleep.
bed?
No.
Goodbye, princess.
It's somewhere when you come to my house, I'll show you.
Okay.
Which one do you wanna play? That one?
No.
Which one?
Why are you taking that DVD out? And this one. I call those DVDs because they look like DVDs. Here, watch.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh.
See. That. I don't know.
I'm sorry. Okay. Press on.
So you're supposed to shoot that duck down before,
3 times.
but he doesn't stay up very long, does he?
He does it.
You pause it now.
That well, he posted it, and we just needed some time to like. Well, he goes. We need like more room. He kind of flies around. He flies all around, and it's kind of hard to shoot him because he's flying all around and so going upside down.
Oh.
That goes to the next song. Then the next song. There's no volume on this thing.
What do you think?
There is no volume?
Can't see it quick.
5, 4, 3.
Oh, here. Let me turn another light on.